This is a shout out for METSTRADE 2024. This is our Dame nomination of wireless switching, and it's all digital. The controllers across the back can be connected on NMEA 2000 or running on wireless Wi-Fi, and they also, all of them, can operate on long-range Bluetooth. In the front here we have the switches, and these switches can operate with, of course, no internet, and you can have up to 6 switch buttons assigned to any output on any of the controllers at the back. So when you operate the keypad in the front left there, which is connected on the NMEA 2000 network, it will operate the controllers, and you can in parallel operate with any of the wireless switches and with any smartphone app on a smartphone or on a tablet, using the native home control of any of the major smartphones. So the 4 smartphone manufacturers, Apple, Google, Samsung and Amazon, agreed on a standard that was published in 2022 called Matter, and the products up the back there, all the controllers are Matter compliant, so that the automation can operate, that when you arrive on the boat or depart from the boat, you can make sure all the non-essential items are turned off, and there is an implicit energy management strategy that you can then run with load shedding or just turning things off when they're not being used. And you can switch also into AC devices using this as well, using the automation function. So in the bottom there on the right is the STAR tank, the phase coherent radar tank level transmitter. It's compatible with the Victron Turbo GX system, and it's Bluetooth, 5-year battery life, and accurate to 1 millimeter. It has some AI in it that when the button is pressed on the top, the AI saves battery life by matching the radar sensor to the tank using the least amount of battery power. Star Touch in the bottom there is totally comes off the mount. It's a magnetic mount that it's on, and it can be taken off, and it will also show a Victron system connected using the Wi-Fi into the controller. So you can have both a Victron power system and the digital switching system in the one display. Now all of these products are incredibly affordable. Why? Because there's no middleware. There's no middle device that you have to go through that's moving all the data around like you have with a lot of systems. The connectivity is direct to the controllers, and because of that it takes out a lot of cost, and the result is are generally priced at half any of the competitors, and the switches at the bottom even less than that. So it's a very affordable system for cabin control, for galley control. The installation savings using wireless are absolutely significant. How good's that?